there, welcome to this video. Interested to earn? You will discover how to earn $20 every 10 minutes in this video. That's $120 per hour. This approach is ideal for those who are just starting off. As always, let's get right to the method as you don't need to sell anything, engage in affiliate marketing, or have any products here. Sounds ideal, right? It is! Now,
Hello and welcome to the Money Hustle, where earning should never be troubling. On this channel, we offer the most recent strategies for making money online. Make sure to subscribe to this channel. You may start making things happen by setting up a notification bell so that you are informed anytime we release a new video on how to make money online. Please give this video a thumbs up as well. If you have any questions, comments, or other feedback regarding the video, don't be afraid to post them below.
you only need to visit google.com and enter the name of the website in the search bar, which is Google Trends. I need to enter Google Trends into the Google search box. All you have to do to access this page after searching for Google Trends is click the first result, which is a Google website. You will see topics that are fresh and items that are currently trending around in the world in this post. But wait, how will you be compensated for this? I'll show that to you. Simply scroll down the page until you come to this section right here where it says Recently Trending. When you get to this section right here where it says Recently Trending, this refers to topics that are currently generating conversation all over the world. A lot of them feel extremely familiar if you go through this page because they are such popular topics. Finding a topic that people are searching for is what you need to do. And all of these topics are undoubtedly being searched for at the moment. So I'm going to choose one of them, and once I do, I'm going to search for a reliable source that I can use to generate income. I'm going to select this UFC, and I'm going to click on the link to the UFC's article from the New York Times. You want to search for something, pick one of them, and then click on a topic like this to open a website with news about that particular issue. Since the New York Times is so popular, I'm going to use this topic to earn money. It's a win-win situation if you can get a nice article for other people to read while you still make money. Before I promote this, I want to read it to see if it's a good article since people will be reading this and you don't want to waste people's time. Now, this website right here that you can see on the screen is called Xe.io, and it will pay you to use it. Create an account, shorten your links, and be paid easily. Exactly, that's what it means when it says shorten and get paid in 3 easy steps. All you need to do to withdraw your money from this website is $3, which is amazing news. It has a high payout rate and a low minimum payout. Additionally, you can refer others and get a 15% referral incentive. The most essential way this website gets money is when you shorten your link through their website and spread the word about it elsewhere. The person who sees the link and clicks on it will initially be sent to a different website where they will be provided with some ads before being directed to the real article that you are promoting. This is how the website generates revenue, and it will provide some of it to you. I know some of you fear the advertisements or viruses, but don't worry, it's only an advertisement, similar to the ones you see on YouTube videos before you view them. Do not fear, since I would never give you a virus. To use this website, simply scroll to the top of the page and click the sign up button in the top right hand corner. After entering your username, email, password, and password confirmation, agree to the terms of service and then click register. You only need to do that, and this is what will happen when you register on the website correctly. Don't worry about payout methods because they allow a variety of options including PayPal, Bitcoin, Payeer, Perfect Money, and AirTM. This same screen, which also will display all zeros in your link earnings daily. CPM, referral earnings, views, and date is what you should be seeing right now. Okay, so this is where you're going to track your links. Keep tabs on how much money you've made so far, and anything else relating to the shortened link will be displayed in this panel. In order to do this, select Create a Link in the upper left corner of the page. Copy the desired article's link once more and then paste it into this space on the Xe.io website. Now you can go to Google Docs and create a document that is dedicated to your shortened links so that you'll never lose them. I'll just go back to xc.io. Now this is optional, so you can just put in whatever you like. This is the promotional URL that needs to be copied. To ensure that you don't lose this link, copy it, return to the Google Doc document, and put it there. So I posted the link, and after the countdown finished, it showed me a countdown at the top of the website. After that, all you have to do is click Generate Link, then Continue. This is for the person who will be clicking on your link. You've already made money by this time. Click the link, and as you can see, I was able to access the website. I'm currently on the New York Times after I pasted this shortened link into my search box. It has ads, yet I still click Continue. People will experience this when they click your link, but by the time they see the advertisements, you have already made money. They are not required to read the essay. You will start making money as soon as they click on and view the ads. Now that you have shortened your link, you can start using it. You'll proceed to a website called Linkvertise, where all you have to do is register. You will also receive payment through our website for any clicks that you generate, doubling your earnings from each click. No matter where you live, they can still pay you because they use ACH for Americans, wire transfers for people practically everywhere, PayPal and e-checks, and bank transfers for people all over the world. Simply scroll back up to the top, click the register button in the top right corner, enter your username, email address, and password, agree to the terms of service, check the box next to I'm not a robot, and then click register now to create your account. Okay, all you have to do to build a link is click on here at the top of the page after logging into this website. You will receive your shortened link, which you will then post here. Now all you need to do is set your target URL to your actual website address, and when this orange arrow appears, you're ready to go. Simply click on that to bring up a prompt asking for your short link title and the subject of your post. Next, right-click here on the green checkmark link title so you can add a brief description. Go return to the New York Times and I'll copy and paste everything there. When I'm done, hit the next button. I'm simply going to copy some information and then paste it again. You can now automatically answer the frequently asked questions by clicking the plus button, selecting them, and then clicking continue. Then simply click the check mark in green. In order to encourage readers to click on your link, include a picture. Let's return to that article and navigate to this page in order to download the image. Returning to Linkvertise, let's paste our image in this location. The website will ask you to crop the image in a way that looks best for you. I think this looks good, so I'm just going to click OK. Since Linkvertise also functions as a search engine, users of their website will notice this, and if they wish to read the article, will click on it. Each time they do, you will receive payment from xc.io in addition to your regular earnings from linkvertise.com. I'll just click the arrow to continue on because I believe this looks perfect. They will now provide you with a link to your profile, allowing you to share your material with others. Once you click done, you will be redirected to the homepage. And that's all! Thank you so much for watching The Money Hustle. I hope you learned a lot today. If you did, make sure to like this video and comment with appreciation or any question you have in mind. Press the subscribe button and the notifications bell beside it so you won't miss a video. I believe that's it. Thank you for watching and goodbye.